how to recover or restore videos on MX Player. In order to do so, you may follow up this method. So open up MX Player, and once you open it up, you should be finding all of the videos and everything. So if you're trying to recover or restore, what you can do is from the given interface, if you have accidentally deleted your folder or your videos, tap on the Me tab from the given interface at the bottom right. And once you do here, you will be finding some options on this menu. Now from the given option, select the option called Recycle Bin. And once you do that, here you will be finding all of the videos. So in order to restore it, you may long press on the video. And once you do, in the bottom, you should be finding Recover and Delete option. You may tap on the option called Recover and confirm the recover. Once you do that, your video should be successfully recovered from your recycle bin to your device, and that's it. So this is the method you can apply up in order to restore or recover video from MX Player onto your device. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.